Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a paper basket. This is an origami I created myself. The only material you need is a square piece of paper. You don't need glue or scissors. You can make this basket with any size of paper as long as it's a square. In this video I'll start with 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, and different colors to make it easier to understand. Our first step is to fold it in half diagonally. Just bring one corner to the other like this. Reinforce it very well. And unfold. Next, we will need to fold the opposite diagonal. For now, leave that folded and rotate the paper in this position. We'll fold a bit of the larger side just to make a guideline. Here the amount you fold depends on the size you want the handle to be, so fold as much as you think is best. After folding this, unfold the paper. We have the marks we just made. As the next step, let's bring the top crease to the middle, like this. Then fold the bottom crease to the middle too. Here you'll need to reverse the crease first to make it possible. Having done that, let's fold the top and bottom corners to the middle. Then unfold. Now fold the corners to the marks we made. Fold them as before, using the existing lines. Now pay close attention. Starting from the bottom side, let's fold a new horizontal line here. So basically we're going to bring the paper to the middle and fold only the central part. Undoing that, we have now this new crease here. Repeat the same step with the top side. Again, using these layers as a reference, we'll need to fold two new vertical lines. This time we need to align these lines with the corners of the layers. We can start on the right side. I recommend first making small marks in the corners. Then fold the paper to the left and reinforce only in the middle. we have the first vertical line. Now repeat the same on the left. To make the next step easier, let's first unfold the top and bottom sides. In the middle, we now have a square. Using as a reference, let's connect the corners of this square to the end of the paper here, to the end of the white part. We'll also have to repeat this step with the other three sides. Start with the top right, bring the paper down a bit, carefully, and fold only on this side. Do the same on the left. And then with the other two sides. With those marks done, we can fold the bottom and top side again. Now for the most important step, let's rotate the paper in this position, bring the top side forward just a bit, then bring the paper to the middle using the existing diagonal, and align this inner diagonal with the edge of the paper, like this. Reinforce a little, repeat the same thing with the other side. First bring the paper to the middle, then align the diagonal and crease it. Now rotate. Repeat the same with the other side. We have done all the necessary steps to make the basket. It should work perfectly like this, but if you want an extra detail, you can fold this extra paper in the middle, leaving it with a different color, or even fold it inside, making it look like this. All of this is optional, and you decide if you want to do it or not. Either way, once we finished our basket, you just need to fit one end of the paper inside the other, creating the handle. If you find it too difficult, you can open or close one of the sides, so it's easier to fit. And our origami basket is ready! If you're using just as a decoration and you don't want to put anything heavy inside, you can leave it like this, but if you want it to be stronger, just put glue in the handle. And that's it! I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.